Hello, it's Tuesday, June the 1st, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar was little changed versus the majors as US equity markets remained closed and markets around Europe were flat despite Spain's downgrade on Friday. Crude gained by 0.9% to close at $74.80 a barrel, and gold remained almost unchanged to close at $1,215 an ounce. Today, ISM manufacturing PMI is expected with 59.3 versus 60.4 prior. The euro declined slightly versus the dollar and the pound as Spain's credit rating cut by Fitch Ratings overweighed investors' sentiment. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 122.67 and a high of 123.34. The euro-dollar is consolidating towards its lowest level in 4 years, and another breakdown is possible. Today, German retail sales are expected with 0.8% versus minus 1.6% prior. The pound gained slightly versus the dollar as European equity markets ended flat despite Spain's downgrade. UK's government is trying to limit the political damage made by Chief Secretary to the Treasury David Law's resignation following revelations about his parliamentary expenses by continuing with the deficit cuts. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 144.25 and a high of 145.48. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected with 57.8 versus 58 prior. The yen remained almost unchanged versus the dollar, still trading near its weakest level a week after Japan's Social Democratic Party left a three-way coalition government. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 90.80 and a high of 91.62. No major economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This gained versus the dollar after stronger than expected GDP results showed Canada's economy grew in the fastest pace in a decade during the first quarter. GDP came out at 0.6% versus 0.5% expected. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 104.13 and a high of 105.46. Today, the Bank of Canada is expected to announce that the interest rate will rise from 0.25% to 0.5% and is expected to bring greater volatility. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.